Thank you all for giving all those lovely name suggestions. There were some really good ones, but in the end I chose... Good afternoon internet, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and welcome back to the channel. So I've already been working on preparing my new baby for my Europe tour. I put on some adventure mirrors. Same ones that I had with the No because I just really like them. And I placed this foot enlarger so I can also park in sand or dirt. And any moment now Bob will arrive here, and maybe you remember Bob from the beginning of season 2. He works for Moscow Moto and they are so kind to sponsor me again with a luggage set, which I'm super happy with. I'm going to work with the same set that I have on the No because I just really like the setup. So it will be a Reckless 80 which will be placed over here. And Bob is here. So these are the new bags. This is version 3, so it's an upgraded version from the one that I have on the No. Looks super awesome, and a sneak preview to my new tank bag. Alright, so yesterday we got a little bit distracted while we were fitting the bags. So we only fitted the new tank bag now, but the bags at the back still need to be fitted because instead Bob installed my hand guards here and this engine guard over here. So super happy that he did that for me because A, I didn't have the tools, and B, I had no idea where to begin. So I'm super glad that that's done. And now I'm going to a dealer to get new tires fitted, which will be better to also go off-road with them. And then afterwards Bob is going to install the Moscow Moto bags at the back. So that's the plan for today. So now let's go to the dealer to get some new tires. We got some nice Dutch weather. Oh, he's driving fast. Nice drizzling, rainy weather. Alright, we are here. Let's go inside, see where I have to put her. They're going to give her some new tires now. So in the meantime, I'm just going to have a look around the shop. It's always nice. Look at all the pretty bikes they have. Okay, got my new tires on. I got the Dunlop Trail Max. So with these tires I should be able to ride some dirt as well. I think it looks pretty good. I think they're really nice. So it's raining now, so I have to ride really careful on the way back because they're brand new tires. So they might be a little bit slippery. So I'm just going to easily and very carefully ride back to Utrecht now. Look who's there. I was just about to leave. It is Bob! Hey! Ik ging echt net weg.
Dan stuurde jij waarschijnlijk net een appje.
Wat zei je?
Dan stuurde jij zeker net een appje.
Ja. Alright, let's go. Ik heb echt nul grip. Alright, we're now doing the finishing touches on the bags here. Almost ready. And she is ready. Look at it. So this is a mock packing. So this is not the final look, but I just stuffed some pillows in. So you have an idea of how the luggage is going to look like. Looking good, right? Alright, so these are actually the main things. So she is almost ready. The only thing that I have to tell you is that I picked a name. So thank you all for giving all those lovely name suggestions. There were some really good ones, but from the beginning I thought it has to be a Japanese name. It's a Honda, has to be Japanese, and there were a lot of different suggestions, but in the end I chose Ronin. And I think a lot of you will know what that means. So, but I will just say it in case you don't know what it means. But Ronin is Japanese for a samurai without a master or a wanderer. So I thought it was very applicable and I love the name. So I'm just going to end this video with meet Ronin. Yeah, I'm going to do the final preparations. I will have to do a couple of more things before I can set off, and I think I will record one more video here in the Netherlands, just testing out a few things, and then I am off. That was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.